This is full metal.
Yo, Pan, you ready?
Hey,
Man, let's lock and load.
yeah,
Just blaze.
yeah,
No, turn me up.
hey,
Hey, I think we got one.
yeah.
Here we go.
Tell me, what do you see when you're looking at me?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
On a mission to be what I'm destined to be.
Hey YouTube, what's up? Airsoft. I'm bringing you guys another unboxing. All this stuff in here was back ordered from a while ago, so bringing you this unboxing video today because it finally came in. So let's get started here. Alright. Let's see here. See if this is what I ordered. Alright, so first thing in this box, unboxing, is my magazine for my KWA KP8 green gas. This is, I believe, a 36 round magazine. There's that. Next here, I have a accessory dump pouch for my sniper belt, which I'll be showing you guys my sniper sniper setup. Sorry about that. In a couple videos later. And last here, I have a triple magazine M4 pouch because I hate the Mag 4 pouches I have because they are really hard to get in and out of like the straps on it. So I just thought this would be a little easier with the Velcro. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.